How to fix TikTok video under review. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. There is no option to do anything for video under review. Video under review on TikTok simply means your video is going under review as you have copyright or simply content that violates the society of TikTok. So simply what you can do is simply delete your video in this way by clicking on three dots and then scrolling to the left and then click on delete. After it's deleted, you're good to go. This is how to fix TikTok video under review. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.